Hey guys, JH. Welcome to the putting green. Okay guys, we're going to do a club test today. This is the new even roll putter. It just achieved the highest points ever scored in the putter test by Golf Spy in the US. Blew everything away, and it was given to me a few weeks ago from my very dear friend, guy I started playing golf with. You know, we played thousands of rounds together, and he's a very, very dear friend. And he gave me this putter and said, JH, you'll like this, the best putter in the world. And I really didn't do anything with it, hadn't used it because it's an inch shorter than my putter. But I want to do this video today on the pop putting action that Snedeker uses, and so I thought I'd give this putter a go. So for my good friend Johnny Hugo, and I don't think he'll mind me giving up his name on the thing, but he's a great mate of mine, and he gave me this, and these are going to sell for about $5.50 here in Australia, guys, so they're a top of the line bit of gear. But guys, I want to use this in conjunction with this new process of putting, and the putting it's a pop putting process where I just use the dominant hand, have the same pressure points as I had in the pitching, where that lifeline there is pushed onto the grip, pushes onto the lead hand, and it's exactly the same, and the dominant hand creates the putt. No little soft grips, none of that, very firm grip. And like Brandt Snedeker. And of course guys, what he does is he just takes it back and bangs it, and the putter doesn't go past his foot, hardly. Now the advantage of that is that you eliminate the big long loopy backswing, which the putter can do all sorts of things. You know, it can just wobble all over the place. I find that myself when I've got a long backswing, I get a D-cell going, or the putter feels out of control. But if you just practice a little bit and get the feel, the brain will work out what type of energy you've got to apply to the putter in that short stroke, and you can just bang it. And guys, I just, you know, for this, because this putter's got no loft on it, so I've got to play it up a long way. It's not like my putter. It's just no loft. I play from a normal position, if you were putting, it bounces the ball. So I don't know how it got the results it did in the test, but maybe the ones in the test didn't have, had no loft. See, when I put that down, there's almost got negative loft. So anyway, guys, but I'll put it up here, and I'm just going to pop it, bang, bang, bang. This is the stroke. Now the club doesn't get offline, guys. Now I haven't hit a putt with this putter. They haven't mowed the green here today, and it's hard to get on this little public course up here, guys, in country town. Very hard to get on with without 1,000 people on. But we'll just bang a couple down there, and we'll see how this putter performs. I haven't hit it, so Johnny, here it is. Could be good. We're just gonna jab it. I mean, that's pretty smooth. How are you, mate? You? This is my buddy Leo. He didn't know I was on video here. I'm just doing this putting video.
When you finish,
I'll be finished, mate. I'll be over. It'll be great to see you. Good on you, Leo. Yeah, Leo's an old mate of mine. I haven't seen him for ages. He's just turned up and spoken to me. So I'll go over and see him. Great guy, Leo. Yeah, okay, guys. So. See, we just give it a little jab. Just give it a little jab. And again. It's good action, guys. The putter's short, so it's making me get into a different position. But a good putter. And it seems all right. So I'm just going to take it back, and I'm just going to stay very still and just jab it. I mean, they're good rolls, nothing wrong with them. So guys, the principle is we get that same pressure point that we had with the chipping and the pitching. And here, I put it on there and I push it in there. I grab the putter in the fingers of the right hand, I actually pull it back and I just bang it. Well, for me, the right hand, which is the dominant hand, just take it back here. Keep this angle, this wrist angle is vital, guys. You've got to keep that, otherwise you change the loft of the putter, and you're in a lot of strife when you do that. So we just get it here, and we just take it back and bang it. It just goes so straight, guys. I promise you. It's just I'll just hit one this way. Give you an idea of what it looks like. Just here. The putter doesn't move, guys, and it's dead straight. Absolutely dead straight. Now, there's a few people want to use the putting green, guys, so I don't want to hold it up. But what I'll do, I'll do a little bit more in depth, with a little bit more detail. But to give a, well, I've only hit a few putts with it, but sure, putters feels great. A little bit different to mine. I'm using the new Cleveland, the new ones with these squares on it. Similar type putter, but it's an inch and a bit longer. I usually use 35, so it suits me a little better. But this putter at my length will be okay. But guys, that's a new even roll putter. They say you can hit it all over the insert, doesn't make a difference, still goes straight. And pretty straight. I mean, the green hasn't been mowed, and yeah. So guys, that's essentially the process, in that we're just taking back dominant hand and we're just banging it, bang, bang, bang. There's no stroke, there's no flow at all. I'm not doing any of that. And it's just a jab. It's just a hard jab, bang, bang, bang. Putter doesn't go past the left foot at all. We don't want that, or the lead foot. Just get it here, keep that angle, bang, bang. And I promise you, after 10 or 15 minutes, you will work out the type of distance that you need for this type of putt. Okay guys, that's the even roll putter. Nothing wrong with it. I think it's a lot of money for a Rife putter. A nice grip, nice finish, but it looks just like the Ping Catch. It looks identical almost to the Ping Catch. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing new in equipment, there probably isn't. But it sets up okay. It's got a little bit of negative shaft back here, which means you can push the ball a little bit, which I like that. Yeah, but guys, that's it. We just get it here, hold that angle, bang, 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 bang. Okay guys, that's the new even roll putter. Thanks Johnny. I'll use it. I might make it a little bit longer, 35 inch, probably be better for me. And of course guys, I don't normally putt up there, but because this putter is not designed for me to putt back here under my dominant eye, it's just not designed for me. So, but you know, I can putt with anything, and I can putt from any position, so it doesn't matter. But there it is guys, the even roll putter. Got the highest marks ever awarded in that Golf Spy test last week. It's a pretty good product. I don't know how it'll sell in this country. The Australian golfers tend to be more budget orientated than the rest of the world in terms of paying for equipment. You know, 500 plus for a putter is a big ask. But guys, it's okay. Okay guys, that's just a little putter test. I'll do more on that process going forward in depth.